Madagasikara, Tiako, I love you like lambahoany. So I'm gonna go back on my gloves just quickly. This is a lambahoany, and this is part of like Malagasy identity. Every household in Madagascar or across the world, Malagasy will have this similar this cloth, and yeah, so people use it in a many ways, and through my poem, you can yeah, you can feel and see through how yeah me using it, or maybe also other Malagasy people. So my first part be a small conversation with Madagascar. Madagascaro, oh, Tiako, I love you. You do? How do you love me? Tell me. Madagascar, Tiako, I love you. I love you like lambahoany. I love you like lambahoany because I will wear you everywhere I go. I will wear you as a headscarf, a turban, when I on a hot sunny day up the mountain or on the desert. I'll wear you as a shawl when I go to market, work, or church. I wear you as a sarong at home by the beach, or when I plant rice, or when I dance. And I wear you as a dress when I perform my spoken words poetry, and I will show people your picture, and I will tell them, this is Madagascar, my lovely island, Nusmalalak, my lovely country. Such a book.